Every day, a brand new start. Learning with a happy heart. Lolly Learning, come and see. A world of wonder waits for me.
Hey friends, Lolly here, and we have a bit of a dilemma. See, we caught a frog just to look at it, and we caught it in a little cup, and that's no good for a little frog. He's definitely going to need something a lot better and specially made for a little creature just like him. Can you come with us and help us to build the perfect habitat? Well, let's go. But first, all right, let's get to building.
Oh my goodness! Look at all of this! Now before we start, listen to this. Did you hear that? That is what our little friend was sounding like, which helped us to look around and find him. And today, we're going to make sure that he has the coziest home possible. But where do we start? Well, when you build a house, what comes first? The floor. So our frog needs a floor. And I was thinking, carpet? No, because our frog, he lives outside. So his floor, dirt. Beautiful, perfect dirt. Now, I would not want dirt in my house, but for this little guy, it's absolutely perfect. There's our floor. Great. No, perfect. There is our floor. But wait, dirt is great. But you know what makes it even better? This. Do you know what this is? This is moss. Soft, green, and a little bit damp. Frogs have very sensitive skin, and they need things to stay moist and cool. Moss goes right on top, like a little green rug. Now, that's a floor I might actually want. Now, every good home has something very important. What do you have at your house that has water in it? A sink? A bathtub? A pool maybe? Well, our frog needs something like that too. Because every living thing, every single one, needs water to survive. So, we're giving him his very own little pool, just for soaking. Now, here's something that is going to make you so amazed. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Boone's ready. Are you? Okay, frogs don't drink water through their mouths like we do. They soak it through their skin. Their whole entire body just drinks. I know, Boone. Frogs are so incredibly cool. Now, our frog needs something to do. He can't just sit there. Frogs love to climb and perch and just sit up high and look around like they own the place. So, a little bit too big. So we need some branches, like a little jungle gym. If you like going to the park, you get it. I love the park and climbing and playing around. So we need some branches, like a little jungle gym. Now, just a few little more touches to make it super fun for our little friend. Okay, but something is still missing. It doesn't feel quite like outside yet.
It needs plants, I think.
Oh, yes, Boone. Plants. We need plants. Good call. Because our little friend is a tree frog. He lives up high in the leaves and branches. When our little frog is sitting in his home, we want him to feel like he never even left. Green and cozy and just perfect. One last thing, the most important thing. Every creature needs somewhere to feel safe, somewhere cozy and quiet, a place that's just theirs. This is his little hide or home, his cozy spots, because we all need one of those sometimes.
I definitely do.
Yes, even Boone. So dirt, moss, water, branches, plants, and a cozy little home. We just built a frog habitat. You are such good builders. I'm so proud of you. This looks amazing. And of course, we can't forget, dinner is served. Mealworms.
Yucky!
Basically frog pizza. Hey friends. All right, so you might be wondering, what am I doing out here? We're not actually going to use the habitat that I made. That was to show you how it was done. But what we are going to do is let this little guy go. See, sometimes the best thing you can do is to say hello and then let him go. So come on, let's put this guy back into his natural habitat.
Bye, Frog! We'll miss you!
Bye! Oh, I think he absolutely loves it. He went that way and found the closest tree. Speaking of bye, I think that it's time to go, and I'll miss you till I see you again. But remember, until then, that Lolli loves you. Bye!